TWR Thirsty Thursday, and Lotto Picks.
What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. Guys, this is your Thirsty Thursday video, Lotto Pick Friday, and I got a fantastic video for you. Immediately following this right here, I got our next upcoming class, and I think you guys are going to enjoy it, and you don't want to miss it, man, because it's going to give you a lot of tools to go out there and attack the market, man. And also, I got a highlight on our Crypto University that we just put up. Guys, there's so much crap about crypto out there. We had to put a university for a formal education on how you guys can make money with crypto, blockchain, and NFTs, guys. So definitely keeping it legit with Traders War Room, doing our thing like we always do. Now, without further ado, if you're ready, follow me, and let's go to war together, team. Traders War Room, baby. Let's get it right now.
Register today for our next class, How to Use Economics and Fundamentals to Destroy the Market. Our guest instructor, Devin, is a fantastic fundamental trader who holds degrees in economics. He is going to take you through the understanding of what makes the market move, how the markets move, and how you can utilize the in-depth information on different companies and aspects within economics to absolutely destroy the market. Join us 19 March at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. $15 gets you a seat in the class, and every purchase gets the recording. You can find the link to register in the description, or you can go to traderswarroom.com/upcoming classes. I'll see you there. And as promised, registration is now open for the first formal 5-week Crypto University course, and you can find more information and register at traderswarroom.com/Crypto University. But here's the real quick skinny. It's a 5-week course that's done live via Zoom, and it's instructor-led, student-engaged with 2 classes per week, a virtual classroom. All classes are recorded and are posted in the virtual classroom. Everything start to finish on crypto, blockchain, and NFT. If you're interested and you want more information, go to the website. The link is right there. It's also in the description, and read what we have. And you can always ask me questions by emailing me, direct messaging me, or hitting me up in the comment section on the social media platform. Class starts on 21 March 2023. Come and get some. How's TWR doing thus far? All right, first let's talk about Baba, man. We ended up getting that $83 put, entered 144, out 220. That's 76 per contract. Meta was being difficult all day, but we finally got the push we needed to make some decent profit, and we entered at 75. We were out at 100, and that gave us 25 per contract. Apple finally got the push we wanted. We entered the trade at 138, trimmed a couple times, 220, 211, but finally got the big push we wanted. Exit out 263, that's 125 per contract. Tesla, we stayed super patient with this one. We entered at 130. We trimmed a couple times throughout the week, but today was payday, baby, and we came out at 380. That's good for 250 per contract. And finally, the big boy. Took advantage of the waterworks on SPY. We entered this trade 125. We exited today for 510. That's good for 385 per contract. Special thanks to JPAL and the POTUS. $100 to $1,000 per day is possible when you're a TWR market warrior. So quit wasting money. That's not making money. Join TWR. The links are in the description. Stocks I like for trades. All right, so let's talk about SPY, man. The waterworks were on, and we saw... All right, so let's talk about SPY. The waterworks were on, and we saw a dramatic push to the downside. This gives us an opportunity for some decent support at this 390 level, which we've seen from SPY. So I would be expecting a potential bounce. Now, I do ultimately think that the market's going to continue to go down. However, there will be relief days in that, and SPY is looking to probably bounce from this current level and go retest some of those previous highs. So we're looking for 393.75 for a close above that for some continuation to the upside, and 387.25 for continuation to the downside. But obviously, If we want to play this intraday, we're just going to play right off the moving averages, utilizing those moving averages as triggers. We see crosses going in it, to the downside, we think short. We see crosses going to the upside, we think long. And don't be afraid to pull the trigger, but give yourself some time so that IV doesn't come knocking at your door and that theta doesn't take away and start decaying your contracts if you get the reversals that happen so frequently in SPY. A true lotto play. Look at this, man. Docu absolutely got hammered after hours. And you know what? Their earnings were good, okay? So I think this is a little bit of a panic sell, a little knee-jerk reaction. So we're looking for continuation and a bounce from these current levels. However, we get that trigger that's below that 57.75. We think short, and then we get that trigger to the top side, 60.75. We can start thinking continuation to the upside. However, if I was a betting man, I would go ahead and probably put a trade in. And in fact, free lotto trade alert. I'm only really interested in this trade to the upside because of the bounce that I think that we're going to get based off of their earnings report and their forward guidance. I think it was good. I read it. I listened. They did very well. I just think it was part of the panic sell with everything else. So if we start to see those bullish signs in the market coming overall, let's not be afraid to go ahead and pull the trigger. Docu, $70 strike. We want to push out till the 24th of March, and we're looking for anything between like the 225 to 275 area would be good. Cheaper is better, of course. However, don't be afraid to catch this thing and ride this. This could be a very big payday because we're talking about potentially $10, maybe even $15 to the upside based off of this knee-jerk reaction. So this is the trade I'm going to go with on the free alert, and I think that you'd be making some money if you take this alert if we get that bullish momentum tomorrow in the marketplace. And if you like this trade and you want to get into it and you want a little bit of guidance to play-by-play, join the team and follow my alerts and trades. The link is in the description. This is another true lotto play as well. Look at that, absolutely just getting destroyed. SIVB. Now, this is part of this crypto fallout that you're seeing in this bank. Just absolutely got destroyed. However, looking at that recent price action, those are significant dumps coming down, and you're starting to see that seller's exhaustion at the bottom. So top trigger, 94.81. Let's go ahead and call that 94.75. Bottom trigger, 66.61. Can go a little conservative at 66.50, but this thing is moving, and it's moving dramatically. I mean, you can look at that just in today. It went from like 150 all the way down to like 82. So this thing will move and shake, and I got a feeling we're probably going to bounce pretty significantly, especially if we get any whiff of any type of bullish momentum in the market. This thing will be a catalyst to the upside. JPM, we're following these guys, okay? We got the trigger to the upside, 132, and the trigger to the bottom side, 129.25. Listen, they're going through some legality issues, especially with this Epstein type of thing, and they just got a lot on their plates. Plus, the financial industry is not doing so well, especially with these elevated rate hikes. So JPM is on the radar. This thing, when it does move, it likes to move quick, and it was previously looking like it was consolidating for a breakout to the upside. However, got a huge dump, and JPM is a solid company. So I'd be looking for the bounce to the upside on this one if we get that momentum that we're talking about, that price action to the bull side. So we're paying attention to this tomorrow. This could be a huge payday, especially if we buy some time. Crypto market is melting down, and so we're paying attention to coin. I think coin is good for a leg lower, so we're paying attention to 60.50 for a trigger to the upside, but I'm really looking at the trigger to the downside. So 54.25 is the, guess what? You probably need to get short on this one and ride this down for a few legs, and we'll be looking for this to go puts to the short side, because I think that we got nothing but coming down at least one or two more legs before it's all said and done and we find that support. Meta took a dump just like everything else. We got an inside bar. We're looking at a top line trigger at 182.94. We call that 183, and a bottom line trigger 179.11. Call that 179. So A close above 183, 5-minute, 15-minute chart would be best, and a close below 179, a 5-minute chart good, 15-minute chart best, and we're looking for continuation to either the upside or the downside. This would be another one that you can play on the day because Meta likes to move between a $3 and $5 push, and if you can catch it utilizing the moving averages intraday, this could be a decent trade, catching the momentum and catching the trend. And the last one I got for you is Tesla. Tesla has seen some dramatic fallout here recently. Okay, so we got the top line at 74 and the bottom line at 165.50. Basically, we're looking for those for continuation and swing trades. Tesla is a fantastic trade to play right off the moving averages. My suggestion, if you're playing Tesla, go to the 3-minute chart, add in your favorite indicators, and you start looking for those crosses, okay? You see the cross to the upside, don't be afraid to pull the trigger, get into a trade. But as soon as you start to see that wicking happen, either wicking at the top showing, buyer's exhaustion, or the wicking at the bottom showing seller's exhaustion, go ahead and secure your profits, because guess what? With Tesla, there's always another trade that's going to make some bank. That's it, team. Don't forget, Traders War Room is your one-stop shop. Try our TWR one-to-one mentoring. Does the market have you feeling like this, or wanting to rip your hair out while you watch your account dwindle? If that's you, then Traders War Room has you covered. Our one-to-ones focus on you as a trader or investor. The Zoom session connects you with a TWR professional. Whether we're covering charts, developing a plan of attack, or being strategic and deep diving on the how, why, and execution of trade plans. TWR one-to-ones will give you the confidence to attack, conquer, destroy, and make the market bend the knee in 2023. Join TWR and bow to no one. Book your session today. The link is in the description or on the website at traderswarroom.com. Let's go to war. Make the market bend the knee in 2023. Join TWR and bow to no one. The link is in the description or on the website at traderswarroom.com. Let's go to war.